Fast and easy fry rice, you can do it. Okay, so what you want to do, you want to cut up your chicken. Now you want to get in there with some onions, dice up your onions and your garlics. And now you put that aside. Get cracking on your eggs. You can put in 1, 2. I put in 2 eggs. You can put 3 if you want. Mix it up. Now you want to prepare your chicken. You want to season it real good with some salt and pepper and some Chinese 5-spice. You want to get in there with your hands, mix it up real good. Now you want to fry your egg. You want to get in there with some oil, put in your egg. You scramble it real good. And just remember, this dish is not fried rice without the eggs. Take your eggs out and put one side. I said you can use 3 eggs, but I only use 2. Now you want to get to frying your chicken. Now you bring back your onion, your garlic. You mix it up, you saute it a little bit, you bring back your chicken, you fry your chicken for about 5 minutes or until it's done. Now you bring in some beans and some carrots, you mix it up with the chicken for a minute. You bring back the rice, you mix the rice real good. And now you're gonna come in with some soy sauce for some color and some flavor. Ooh-wee! I also put in some dark soy sauce as well. Dark soy sauce will give it some nice color and flavor. And now you're gonna bring back in the eggs. Mix the eggs up real good. Put in some sesame oil and Bob's your uncle. Make sure you like and subscribe for more videos. We will make you a professional Caribbean cook.